All right, question number 2 is simplifying fractions. The fraction that we're given is 88 over 56. Now, anytime you're looking at fractions, you've got to realize that whatever you do to the top of the fraction, which we call the numerator, and the bottom of the fraction, which we call the denominator, as long as you do the exact same thing to both of them, either multiplying or divide, the answer will come out to be the same. So if you look at 88 and 56, you see that they're both even numbers. So we can divide by 2 and divide by 2. There should be division symbols. Okay, so 88 divided by 2 is 44. 56 divided by 2 is 28. We look at that, and both of those numbers are still even. So we can divide by 2, and that gets us 22 over 14. Once again, still even, so we divide by 2 again, and we get 11 over 7. Okay, some people, what I want you guys to be able to get to is when you look at 88 and 56, you want to look for the greatest common factor that goes into both of them. Even though both this way we just did it was correct, it takes 3 steps to get to the right answer. If you looked right away and saw, oh, 88 is divisible by 8 and 56 is also divisible by 8, then we can go directly to our answer and we get 11 over 7. Both ways get us the exact same answer. You've just got to figure out which one is the easier for you to do.